Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be talking about now Tropical Storm Edward. I won't be talking about any disturbances or any of that. I actually will be doing my first winter 2020 to 2021 winter forecast. So we had Tropical Storm Edward, 1008 minimum central threshold, 39.0 north, 53.6 west, and 36 miles per hour. So the wind speed really isn't large, like at all. We actually have up to 60% chance for tropical storm force winds. The Azores are not going to get affected, and we actually do have a possibility for it to get stronger and a stronger tropical storm. So here are the wind speed probability for the earliest time: Monday 2 p.m., Monday 8 p.m., Tuesday 2 a.m., Tuesday 8 a.m., and Tuesday 8 p.m. So it's kind of just gonna launch from Tuesday 8 a.m. to Tuesday 8 p.m. And the most likely is Monday 8 p.m., Tuesday 2 p.m., Tuesday 8 a.m., and then Tuesday 8 p.m. So actually here we see that 15 nautical miles in the southeast from the storm. I won't be talking about any of the invests at all yet, but I will be talking about it later. So this is the track that most models are showing, making landfall in Ireland and England. Most of the GEFS. Here is the intensity guidance. All of them say tropical storm, and then just die on down. And then this is the CMC model. And then here we actually do see some white, which in my opinion doesn't mean tropical storm force winds. And then you definitely see the blow up and convection and the spin from the satellite imagery. And then here is the GFS model. You don't even get to see it. Here is the wind. So actually, I believe the GFS model is showing stronger winds by the next advisory, which would be crazy. Actually, wind is the next advisory. The next advisory is at 11 a.m. AST, which is 12 a.m. EST, if you want to know from EST. So this is the GFS. That wind shear is horrible for the storm to form. I say it won't form, but I don't. It would just be very crazy. But guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.